for us to play with helium balloons.
This is it.
You're welcome.
I'm Jay.
I'm Ezra, and we're gonna play with helium balloons. There I am.
This one's a real easy day.
Yeah, we're gonna have so much fun with this. Take it.
I'm gonna inhale this heel, and then I'm going to
Say something.
say something.
Right, do you have any idea what you're gonna say?
No.
Take a big swig of that helium. Say they're magically delicious, because, you know, it's a leprechaun voice, and maybe it'll sound like something funny.
Wait.
It's really harder than you thought, huh?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay,
If I need a bigger hole.
make it. That's what she said. She said that.
Not to me.
More. They're magically delicious.
They're magically delicious.
Dodge horseshoes, clovers, and balloons. I need more.
Oh gosh.
Holy rainbow and the red balloons. Frosted flakes are more than good. They're great.
He's supposed to go, they're great. Do Kool-Aid, go, oh yeah. But do it in a low voice.
Oh yeah.
This is the greatest thing ever. All of it. Take it all in. Go. That's what she said. He probably
Not
said.
to me.
It's done, and it's coming back now. My voice is this. This is my voice.
No, it's not. Let out the helium.
And now I'm back.
Helium still.
This helium really stays with you.
All better?
Yes.
No.
You gotta really nang it.
Got it. I nanged it.
Now you're gonna say.
No, I'm gonna sing something from Hamilton.
Ooh,
Then you'll tell me what I want to say.
spoilers.
I am not throwing away my shot. I am just like my country. I'm young, scrappy, and hungry, and I'm not throwing away my shot. Oh! Angelica, Liza, and Peggy.
I know you love some West Side old school rap.
West Side.
So let's hear some of that right now.
Okay.
Really take it in. Take so much.
Hip hop, hippity, hip hop, you don't stop, rock to the bang bang, boogie stop, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie beat. You see me, my friend? I'm on the mic. We're gonna try the movie beat. I'd like to say hello to the red, to the white, the black, and the brown, the purple, and yellow. Woo! Yellow balloon, baby.
We've done a lot of videos so far, and this is the quickest amount of fun we've ever had.
Immediately. This is
know what I'm saying?
immediately fun. Do you know what you're gonna say?
Yeah.
No. I want him to say, since we're big Dodger fans, I want him to say it's time for Dodger baseball. Vince Scully classic line. You hear it before every...
It's time for Dodger baseball.
Take more in there. It's got to go higher. Fill him up with the Scully. Vince Scully. Here we go.
It's time for Dodger baseball.
No, he wasted it.
Really take it in.
It's time for Dodger baseball. Yay! And a very pleasant good evening wherever you may be. 'Cause it's a thriller night.
Oh.
And nothing
I'm going to sing Happy Birthday, probably my most favorite way, which is an homage to Tim and Eric Austin. So great job.
Rick did it, dip, 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 it's your birthday. Rick did it, dip, 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 it's your birthday. Happy birthday, America, and a very pleasant good evening wherever you may be. I don't know why I'm doing Vince Scully.
We can cut just that out and put it to every birthday we've ever known.
That's it. Let's cover another major holiday. We got birthdays, which is a major holiday. Dreidel.
Yep.
For all the Jews out there.
We know you're out there.
Jews,
we
here
know
we
you're
go.
out there.
We know you guys. Oh gosh, I'm frightened.
Really take.
Dreidel, 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 I made you out of clay. And when you're dry and ready, oh dreidel, I shall play. I have a little dreidel, I made you out of clay. And when you're dry and ready, oh dreidel, I shall play. Dreidel, 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 it's back to normal, almost
Getting
like
closer
it's coming back
to normal.
Normal voice. Chipmunks never did dreidel, so.
Look, I am your father.
I've always wanted to know.
Use the force. This is the force.
Use it. We
And you
use the
better
force.
use it.
So anyway, we hope that you
Thank
guys
you
enjoyed it.
for joining us. This was the most fun we've ever
We
had.
had so much fun.
Let me tell you about the fun. We will do this video again because I'll tell you what, we had the most fun.
Under the comments, just type in what you want us to say or a song you want us to sing, and we will do it for you. My name's Ezra.
And I'm Jay.
And this is it, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and listen to old school hip hop and rap, cuz.
Wrap it out.
Come on.
Rap.
This is it, you guys. This
hashtag is right.
Oh,
We got it.
now we do.
This is it!